International Dogs Day. Tafok designs. Dogs are undoubtedly the most loyal companion animal, and there is need to take special care for them amid COVID-19 pandemic. Dogs have always been the best friends of human beings. And to honor and respect the relationship, the International Dog Day is celebrated on August 26th. While COVID-19 pandemic has taken the world by a storm, it is the duty of every dog owner to take special care of the dogs and protect them from any harm or disease. Please take the special care of your favorite dogs at home amid COVID-19 pandemic. According to reports, a few pet cats and dogs have been reported to be infected with the COVID-19 in different countries for their close contact with people testing positive for the virus. When you take out your dog for a walk, ensure social distancing, and maintain at least a 6 feet distance and avoiding crowds. Take care of the hygiene of your dogs, clean them often and wash your hands as well before and after touching them. Don't allow your dogs to socialize with others. Try to make a place in your home or garden for the dogs to play. Proper and healthy diet for the dogs is the most important thing amid the pandemic. Give adequate food and water to your dogs. Wishing all paws and four-legged friends a wonderful International Dogs Day.